Good job.
What are you doing?
There you go. Jump on it, make sure it works.
Hey, where?
Great. That was a great little balance bike shred session at 7 a.m. on a school day, right? I want to quickly give some feedback, maybe a little review on that ramp because I have a lot of opinions on it. But first, let me see how much my wife paid for it. So that's going to change how hard I critique it. Let's see. She bought it from Amazon. So let's go to Amazon, past orders. It's called the 1080 Micro Flybox Launch Ramp Set. Retails for $50. $50, dual-sided ramp with a connector in the middle. I think that's a great price, but there's definitely some hacks that you need to make on this. I guess I should qualify myself for this review. I've been a mountain biker, motocross racer, skateboarder, all sorts of things my whole life. So I've spent a lot of time around ramps, building them. I have no interest in getting on them ever again. I'm too old with too many responsibilities. But I am all for my 3-year-old getting out his energy on my front sidewalk. So for $50, I can make some modifications to this to make it much nicer. I wish the deck width was a little bit wider for him. He's still using his feet for balance, so he still has to use them to push. And it's 13 inches wide at the top of the deck. He's kind of just able to tip off because his poor little feet and the bike don't all fit on the deck together. So I wish it was a little bit wider. Like if it was 18 inches, 2 feet wide, it would be close to perfection. The other things that I plan on changing to it, the top of it has arrows on it. Looks cool, I guess, but they are slippery plastic. They've actually imprinted in the plastic and made it even more slippery. I plan on taking some skateboarding grip tape and put it across the width in strips so that it has a nice traction to it. I don't know what I can do about the width. The top of it tapers down to the bottom, so it's not like I can order a second one. I think for $50 though, it's worth it. Add some grip tape, maybe add a couple pillows on the side like we did, and it's a-okay. I wanted to give my feedback on this because the reviews that I read or watched on this were all so bro, and this isn't a pro ramp. You're not gonna buy this if you are into whatever sport you're into. You're gonna buy this because you want a $50 dual-sided ramp with a connector in the middle that can come apart easily, store easily, and if your kid gets into it because of this ramp, you did amazing things. If you're like me, where you just wanna wear out your kid in a safe space, either your alley or your front sidewalk, this is great. I assume that once we move, we will upgrade because it's going to annoy me that it's so narrow. He needs a little bit more width to it. And that's the end of this review.
That's so cool. That's so cool, Mama.
You like it?
Yeah.